Why do some people get richer? And you feel stuck? You do the same work, live the same life, yet your money doesn't grow. It's frustrating, right? Well, today, this video changes that. If you stick with me, by the end you'll have a clear roadmap to start building wealth, even if you're starting from zero. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step money roadmap. No luck, no magic, no rich parents. Just simple, actionable steps you can start right now. If you watch till the end, you'll know exactly what to do next. Even if your bank account is empty, even if you have no experience, you can start growing your money today. So, let's stop wondering and start acting. Step 1 begins now. Step 1. Stop bleeding money. Here's the first rule of building wealth. Stop the leaks. You can't grow your money if it keeps running away from you. Think about it. Small daily expenses, snacks, apps, games, feel harmless. But like a boat with tiny holes, small leaks sink big ships. Most people think they need more income to get rich. But the truth is, most people don't have a money problem. They have a leak problem. So your first action is simple. Track every small expense. Even $5 matters. Even $1 matters. Stop the leaks, and suddenly your financial situation starts improving immediately. Once the leaks stop, something powerful happens. You'll see opportunities to save, invest, and grow that were invisible before. Let's move on to step 2. This one lays the foundation for real security. Step 2. Build a tiny safety net. Life happens. Phones break. Car repairs come out of nowhere. Emergencies appear. Without a cushion, you panic. With even a small safety net, you stay calm, focused, and in control. It doesn't have to be a fortune. $5, $10, $20 at a time. Consistency matters more than size. It's the habit that builds confidence, not the amount. Step 2 shows us that wealth isn't just about making money. It's about protecting yourself first. And now, let's move to step 3, where growth really begins. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Most people save what's left at the end of the month. But guess what? There's almost never anything left. The secret is simple. Pay yourself first. When your income arrives, take a portion and put it aside before spending a single dollar. Think of your money like a student. It follows rules. If you tell it to go to savings first, it obeys. Flip the order, and suddenly saving becomes automatic. And here's a myth to bust. Saving isn't a punishment. It's not sacrifice. It's self-respect. It's protection for your future self. Now that you're paying yourself first, let's move to step 4. This is where most people skip ahead, and it costs them dearly. Step 4. Learn before you earn more. Here's the truth. More money without knowledge equals more mistakes. Imagine two people. Person A earns more, but doesn't learn anything. They spend it all. Person B studies money, understands it, then earns. They grow faster, smarter, and avoid pitfalls. Who do you think ends up richer in the long run? Exactly. The one who learns before earning more. Money is a skill. Just like learning an app, a game, or a sport, you can learn how to make money work for you. Start reading, start experimenting, start understanding how money flows. Once you understand money, step 5. Separate savers from true builders. Step 5. Make money work for you. Saving protects you. But building wealth requires growth. Your money should work for you, even when you don't. Think of it like planting seeds. Money that sits in cash grows slowly, or not at all. Money invested wisely grows steadily over time. Here's a big surprise. Fast money is exciting, but slow money lasts. The boring, consistent, patient path wins over the flashy, risky moves every time. So start thinking about ways to make your money grow automatically, whether it's investments, small businesses, or other assets. And now, the final step, the one that ties everything together. Step 6. Think long-term. Wealth isn't built in weeks. It's built in years. You have two paths: short-term fun, immediate gratification, or long-term freedom, the kind of life where you wake up without money stress, where you make choices because you want to, not because you have to. Real wealth isn't flashy. It's not about cars or clothes. It's about freedom, choice, and control. And the sooner you start thinking long-term, the sooner your money works for you, instead of the other way around. You don't need to be special. You just need a system. One step, then another. Start today. Start small. Start smart. And remember, each step compounds over time, just like interest in a bank. If this roadmap helped you, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm starting step_underthing. Share this with a friend who needs it. Let's build wealth together, one step at a time.